Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a verified PayPal account in unrestricted countries. So if you are in Nigeria and you are not allowed to create a PayPal account, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide how you can create a verified PayPal account that receives and sends payment here in Nigeria or to any country. And the amazing thing is that I'll be showing you how to withdraw your PayPal funds directly from your PayPal account to your Nigeria bank account. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you are one of those guys visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, I will do appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget, if you like this video, to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends on social media. So guys, if you understand that these days, for the past few months now, people have been restricting a lot of PayPal accounts. In fact, they have been banning a lot of accounts, that if you even create your PayPal account, instantly you see that your PayPal account will get restricted. And if you submit the information or the document that you require or ask of you, you see that once you submit that, the next thing email you are going to get is that your PayPal account will be permanently blocked and you cannot use that PayPal account again. Now, how do you overcome this stuff, these challenges a lot of people have been facing? That is what I'm about to show you, how to overcome all these challenges and obstacles that people are having right now. So make sure you watch this video to the end and do exact thing I ask you to do. Make sure you follow everything step by step. You can see in my screen here that this is PayPal account, PayPal website. As you can see right here on my screen, that this is PayPal website, and this PayPal website is PayPal Nigeria. If you can see right here on my screen right here, you can see it here. This is PayPal Nigeria. You can see it right here. And PayPal Nigeria cannot actually do what other PayPal account I'm about to show you is going to do, because this PayPal account can only receive payment for you. It will help you receive payment to your PayPal account, but you cannot send this payment to your Nigeria bank account, or you cannot even withdraw those money or sell it to anybody that want to buy those form. So that is the disadvantage of using Nigeria PayPal account. Nigeria PayPal account will only help you to receive form, but you cannot send this form out. The only thing you can do, it will help you do, is to pay something online. You can see here in my screen, it says how PayPal works, what you can do with a personal account: pay online payment without borders, send payment, you send payment abroad, search for deals. You see, this is the only thing you can do with Nigeria PayPal account. And as you can see on my screen here, that there is no business PayPal account right here, but normal PayPal account that I'm going to show you, you see that you're going to have a personal account and business account, because you are working on using a business account, because you want to use your PayPal account for business. So guys, how do you get this PayPal account, a business PayPal account? It's very simple. It's very simple way to get this stuff. And before I move further, I'm going to show you some stuffs here. The PayPal account I'm about to show you is the PayPal account that is going to work for you for anything, and you can use it to receive $5,000 above. No restriction. No restriction. You can use it to receive $5,000 above with no restriction. Now let's dive into it. How do you get this business PayPal account? You see right here, before I do that, I will show you my PayPal account so that you know that what I'm about to show you is working. This is my PayPal account. You can see my business name here. You can see my name, Pro Making Money Nelson Uchenna. This is my PayPal name, my PayPal information. And as you can see on my screen, that I have some balance on my screen right here. You see about 44 cents on my PayPal account here. Let me refresh it. If you think it is not if you may be thinking it is not a real dashboard, you can see that I've refreshed it, and you can see that it's still showing the same thing. It's still showing the same thing. The same balance is still right here, so you can see it is network. That is why it has not finished loading. So the PayPal account I'm about to show you is a PayPal account that is working. Use it to receive payments, use it to send out, use it to purchase things online. You use it to do whatever that you want to do, and it is a cool one that I'm about to show you. So you don't need to struggle for anything. Just make sure you follow the simple guide and procedures I'm about to show you. And you can see that it is a business PayPal account that I'm about to show you how to create. I'm about to show you how to create. Let me walk you through a bit. You see, I've done some transaction here. Let me open it. Let me check it. So this is a PayPal business account I'm about to show you. I've used my PayPal account to receive some money, some dollars online. That is what I use to receive most of my forms online. It's like I've not done any transaction here. I've done some transaction right here. So okay, there's no any transaction right here. I've done some transaction. Let me check here. Last 30 days. Let me check last, okay, 2022. Because I did some transaction. I've been doing, you can see that Partners Tag paid me some commission right here. You see, the company I was working with paid me some commission right here. That is Partners Tag. You can see $27. So they paid me this money few months last year to tell you that my PayPal account and my strategies is working. Now, how do you get started? How do you create this PayPal account that is working effectively for you, that is working effectively? There is a link at the description of this below. You're going to see the link. It's going to be at the first line of this video. So once you click the link, it's going to bring you to this place. You see utility guide for creating a PayPal account that receives and sends in Nigeria. This is actually the simple guide. I've packaged it in form of PDF for you guys. I could have given you access to download this PDF for free, but I want to script the unserious people out of this guide. So the guide is only meant for people who are serious, who want to go into business. That is why I package it, because I want to remove the unserious people away. So once you click the first link at the description of this video, it's going to bring you to this screen. As you can see on seller, it's going to bring you here. You can see, then you can go ahead and read everything you need to see and pick the product. And you can see that the cool thing is that I have proof that this strategies is working. I've created so many PayPal account for clients. I've created so many for clients, so you can see them on my screen. These are not just something I downloaded somewhere or something I duplicate. No, these are PayPal accounts I've created for so many clients all over. I've created for so many clients, even with phone. I've created PayPal account with phone, and some clients who get it also create it with their phone. You can see. So click the link at the description, then it's going to bring you to this place. Then you can go ahead and pick this PDF guide. It's just 3,000 naira, and pick it up. So, and you may be wondering, what will you learn from this simple guide? I purposely packaged this guide for you because I want you to learn how to do this, and you'll be learning a lot of things. You'll be learning step-by-step guide for creating a verified PayPal account. You'll be learning step-by-step guide for creating a verified PayPal account. Some PayPal account that you are seeing there are not verified PayPal account, and that is why they easily get restricted, they easily get bound, they easily get permanently banned or blocked, because those PayPal accounts are not well verified. But in this guide, you'll be learning step by step on how you can create a verified PayPal account. And not just that, there are 3 PayPal accounts you can create, 3 different PayPal accounts that you can create. I'll be showing you this PayPal account. So if you create the first one did not work, you create the second one must definitely work, and the third one must definitely work. And the good thing, or the amazing thing, is that you can even go ahead and create those 3 PayPal accounts and be using 3 PayPal accounts. So I'll be showing you the 3 PayPal accounts that you can create right here in Nigeria and be using it to receive payments online. These are just the simple way you can create a verified PayPal account. And not just that, I will show you how to get it verified. You're going to get your PayPal account verified. Simple and quick way to verify your PayPal account. And not just that, I will show you how to link and confirm your card. how to link and confirm your card. If your PayPal account is created but is no link with a card, there is a limit of what you can do with such PayPal account. There's a limit of what you can do. But in this guide, I will show you how to link a card and get it verified in this process, in this guide that you are about to pick. And not just that, the amazing thing here is that I'll be showing the 3 simple cards I've been using to link my card. If you will agree with me, you know that most of Nigerian card or online card, virtual card, are not working on paper any longer. But in this guide, I'll be showing you these 3 card I'll be using to link any PayPal account I create for client. So you are going to learn all those secrets, and not just that, you'll be also learn how to withdraw your PayPal form to your Nigeria bank account. Some people don't believe that you can withdraw your form from your PayPal account to your Nigeria bank account, but in this guide I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your forms from your PayPal account to your Nigeria bank account right here, and how to secure your PayPal account. You also learn all that, and the added bonus I've added for you is that how to make money into your PayPal account. What is the essence of getting PayPal account where you don't know how to make money into it? I share 3 secrets I'll be using online to make money into my PayPal account. So all that, I've packaged that in this guide, in this PDF. Just go ahead and pick it, and if you pick it, there is a bonus for you. I prepare some bonuses for those of you who are going to pick up this guide. I prepare some bonuses. Let me show you some bonuses. I prepare 4 bonuses for you guys who are to pick this guide. You see, number 1 bonus. The number 1 bonus is that you have reseller right to the PayPal creation ebook. You can resell it. Once you purchase it from me, you have the reseller right from me to resell it to whosoever you want. You can use a Facebook ad to resell it. You can use your WhatsApp. You can use your Instagram, Twitter to resell it. And this alone, if I want to give you the reseller right of this stuff, I'm going to pay more than 20k, but I'm giving you this as bonus. You have the reseller right to resell the book to anyone that you want. Bonus 2, you have access to my done for you service. If you want the done for you service, I can also do it for you. Then bonus 3, you have 1 week support. I'm going to give you support. Any challenges you are going to have, I'm going to give you support. You are going to get my contact in the guide, so you don't need to worry how to get my contact. You get my contact once you pick this guide. You're going to see my contact. You can reach out to me. Then bonus 4 here that I have for you is 13 ways to make money with PayPal. Like I told you, I'm giving you this bonus because there's no need getting a PayPal account where you don't know how to make money to your PayPal account. So I'll be showing you 13 ways which you can make money with PayPal account in Nigeria. So click the first link at the description of this video to pick it up and you get it download. You can pay online, just 3k. You can pay online by clicking the link here. You can see the pay link here. Buy here, click here, you can get it. Or you see my account detail at this document, then you can go ahead and pick it. So you can see it. It's just 3,000 naira. Then you click on checkout. You fill your information, your full name, your email address, your phone number, and total is just 3,000 naira. Then you click on pay now. You see you are good to go. Or if you feel like you want to pay through transfer or through POS or whichever method or bank deposit that feel comfortable for you or that is more easier for you, you see my bank account here. You can pay to any of the bank account, 3,000 naira CMB. You can see it right here. You can pay to my bank account or Sakwena Nuchena. The account number is here. Or you can pay to Polaris Bank. Yeah, so any of the method you prefer that is more convenient for you to pay online, to get the stuff, you can go ahead and use the method to pick the guide so that you won't be missing anything from this guide. So guys, if you enjoyed this video that you just watched, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and if any of your friends is looking for a way to create a PayPal account, how to verify PayPal account, always direct them to get this guide, and you'll be happy that you direct your friend to get a good stuff from me. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, see you again in my next video, and love you guys.